SoftList. The SoftList Material Estimator uses the information stored in SoftPlan floor plans to automatically generate materials lists, cut list reports, cost estimates, and other detailed reports that include information such as labor and markup. While drawing the floor plans for a project, SoftList updates the material list report in real time. Materials are counted as they're drawn, allowing SoftList to offer instant calculations that are accurate and greatly beneficial to the drawing process. At any point, the user can view the list of materials and any associated cost estimations. From the listing of quantities to markup and labor factors, SoftList is thorough and accurate in its results. The standard complete report style provides a detailed report showing quantities of materials needed and costs for materials needed. Different report configurations are available to achieve the desired report type. For example, an energy code or trade contractors report can be generated. The detailed customization options of SoftList are also easy to use and allow for the creation of new report configurations and layouts. Existing configurations can also be customized to exact specifications. From a completely detailed report to a per-floor count, SoftList will allow for complete flexibility to best meet the needs of the estimator. The Find feature makes it simple to check a particular material within the report. Materials from the list can be highlighted on the floor plan. This allows for verification of which items on the drawing contribute to a particular material. The highlighted items appear in yellow on the floor plan drawing. Reports can be quickly exported to QuickBooks and most major accounting packages.